It's your first time with the lights off.
It's not the first time.
Elijah,
If
how you
lights
feel?
turn off, the Metro plays.
That's a long time ago. We're talking about now. Elijah,
I don't even remember that.
how you feel, Elijah?
I feel like I want the power to go back on. I need to go to sleep. I'm very
Go to sleep.
Tired. It's too hot.
How you feel, Asia?
I'm going TikTok.
Kira, how you feel, Kira?
I feel good. She don't.
Where AJ? How you feel, AJ?
Actually, I feel like I'm sad, like I'm tired, and I'm tired.
Okay, go lay down. It's time to lay down.
I'm tired. I want to go to sleep.
Go to sleep.
Like you ruined my whole life.
Well, make sure y'all ate before these lights went out. Y'all go to sleep.
I want to sleep.
How you feel, Rashad?
Not good.
You enjoying this hurricane?
Nope.
You done came in here hotter than AJ bed. Go to sleep. Everybody go to sleep. Y'all, it is pitch black. It's gonna spoil probably.
Where'd you go look around.
That's why I cooked and stuff. I told y'all the lights gonna go off in a minute.
Milk cans.
Okay.
For one
Where'd
day.
you?
Yes. They say no. I
Y'all get out the refrigerator.
want the crackers.
Get out of there now. It might be a couple days. You ain't gonna have nothing.
Exactly.
Y'all can see.
Exactly. I already checked the weather.
What's up, y'all? It's your girl Sheikah, and I'm back with another one. Hey! So I'm just coming today, y'all, just to show y'all the aftermath. We made it through Milton. Thank you, Jesus. Yeah, we made it through Milton. But our electricity is still off. Like, I just got up again. Yeah, I'm tired. I end up going to sleep. Finally going to sleep. But Akira woke back up like 4, 5 o'clock this morning and wanted to do a little plan. So we had to sit with her a little bit. And it was pitch black dark out here at 7 o'clock in the morning. It was pitch black dark. But now, what time is it? I don't know what time it is. I don't even know what time it is, y'all. Because I was, the phone was in the car. My phone went dead. So, Rashad brought our phones out here to his car to charge them up. Yeah, so that's how we're going to have to charge our stuff up in the car until this electricity come back on. But it's raining a little bit, but I'm going to show y'all how the neighborhood look. I'll show y'all how it look. I'll be back. So this how it looking. Got the neighbors out here. Hello. It's a little flooded right there. I hope they down there fixing on the lights or something. Just a lot of breeze. I'm glad this tree ain't falling nothing. See if I gate. Okay, it didn't fall. There's a lot of debris out here. Everybody lights still low. Everybody coming outside now. That's how it looking. Not too bad. Yeah, so yeah, how we gonna get his phone out the thing. I just want these lights to come back on. Ooh, it looks good. So I don't want my to go store. Just grocery shopping. So I'm hoping that they heard we get these lights back on. I gotta go check this food. Tell me that. Check this food to see if it's done died out. Yeah. So it wasn't too bad. But yeah. fine. Kids still asleep. It's starting to rain again. Get in this house.
My man's already stored open.
Don't know, right? We all just got up.
Especially Daddy. Daddy was great. We should drive around.
Carrie finna get her hair done.
Look at the aftermath of what happened. She's
Yeah,
finally
well.
high.
Kara, she just woke up. See, so we gotta eat right now. Light still on. Got her pudding.
Wait, that one
Yeah.
is nasty.
Pretty.
I had got them thing with sugar free. I ain't even know. Anyway, let's see. Your phone ain't working?
Not the internet.
My tablet's working.
Yeah, I think so.
My tablet's working. My tablet's working.
Tower
Make a call, but you can't get on the internet.
on the internet.
God, it's gonna be the worst day ever. Make sure to like, subscribe, hit the bell button, and hit
All
the
the
like
towers
button.
down there.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Finding life along
have to get out.
the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways.
scary cat.
Okay.
Hi guys, let me do a video called Secret World. Make sure to like and subscribe, hit the bell button, and show us, and hopefully we get 10,000 subscribers. Hopefully we get a lot of subscribers. So please subscribe, everybody. If you're from China, you can feel it. If you're from Florida,
Tell them to watch the ad.
watch the ad right now, please.
Click out and come back. And watch those ads.
And my monkey want to talk too. So click out and watch it again.
Guys, look at all these trees. It's not that happy. You're just speeding. Is that a milk cart? What are you talking about?
They're working out. Work it out.
Girl, you could say where's Dollar Tree. Wow, wow.
I don't like that.
Kira.
Let's go.
Oh, it's packed. It's packed, guys. Yeah, wait your turn. Huh?
Oh, I wasn't even recording. I said I wasn't recording just then. What? Probably get it out. Put it down, AJ. I said put it down. Hold a hand. We should go inside Dollar Tree. Kids a little couple snacks. But I need to get some gas. Yeah, I know y'all. I ain't getting no gas. So I'm saying, can I find some gas somewhere? And then go home. We still without no lights. So I go home and figure out put some on the grill, I guess. So I see Dollar Tree open. Let's see what they got going on here. Oh, they open. We can get some bread. So let's see. Hey, I'll hold Kira's hand. Walking up here. They pretty stocked in here. AJ. Pretty stocked in here. So we need to get some bread. Don't be running, AJ. No running. If y'all see bread, let me know I need bread. Trying to find some bread.
Do you remember this?
Kira.
But it's a different one. It's not black.
Let's see if they got any bread here. Got a lot of little fruit snacks. What, AJ?
Do you remember these? Do you remember these? It say like words. It say like no, you can't eat it. It say like yes. It say like maybe. It say like sure.
I don't see any bread. Really like a loaf of bread. I need some bread.
Mom, look, it's a Reese ice cream.
Yeah, I see.
Mommy.
What, AJ?
Can I get
You get your one little snack. Yeah, you get your candy.
one?
Yeah, get your candy.
You have chips?
You want chips?
Yeah, okay.
Do y'all have any bread?
Why is it talking?
That's what it do.
I don't like that.
Yeah, put that in the corn thing somewhere.
Where's the coin thing? This? Oh, I'm sorry. I'm back.
Insert
cash or pay another way.
Where do I put this?
Right there, lady. Where's the money at?
Oh, I did the wrong one. Okay, I knew that.
Stop.
Why is it smashing?
It does. It's a neat.
Stop it.
It's the only thing that's by open. You see them lines getting full back there. Everybody come to McDonald's eat.
Oh, heck no.
Ain't nothing open. All them
Nothing wrong
dead.
with going to work.
Nothing open over there.
Friday night.
Walmart's not even open. Walmart's right there in the neighborhood. Nope, it's not open. And it's so crazy. All them years I worked there, they ain't closed for nothing.
You were there?
No, I'm talking about Walmart in general. Yeah. So what we trying to do? It's a need for right now. Somebody get a headache. Hope these lights get cut on in a few hours.
We can cut it back on. We can cut it on.
Kira. So we is outside, letting the kids get some fresh air. Lights still off. They just ate. So she keep agreeing on these people. Our neighbors share. Our neighbor's so nice to cut our grass this morning. So nice to do that. Look at your toy. Girl got your toy. Look at your toy.
Does that
Look, cut our grass.
electric car work?
The battery got a charge.
battery has to
We found the charge. We found the battery. Now you gotta find the charge. I think your daddy probably throw that away. Yeah, look inside looking now. All the neighbors came out and was cleaning up their yard.
Wait, can I try?
Now it's a little better. Still no powers, but think about that. Alright. Y'all, this is how my neighborhood looking. This is how we looking. It's pitch black.
Ooh, woo.
That house got a little light, but I think they got a generator. This is how we looking.
Oh, what is that? What is that saying? What is that
What?
saying?
Look, y'all. Y'all can barely see, but pitch black.
It's a guys.
Got the camera. You got the camera.
Why on the top?
Okay, you can tell them they can hear you.
Hi guys.
Pitch black. We
Make
have to
sure
sit in
like
our
and
cars
subscribe, hit the bell button.
to charge our phones.
Make sure to like
charge
and
the phones and
subscribe,
stuff.
hit the button.
So I've been sitting out here charging my phone. And service working a little bit better. But yeah, this is the neighborhood. Pitch black. Pitch black. I'm sure trying to do something in the car. The lights get turned back on. Okay, y'all. So Rashad just did this. We got a little light. He plugged this up in his car and using this long cord here and connected to our lamp. I don't know what it called, but if you got a Dodge, what you got, a Dodge Ram?
Yeah.
If you got a Dodge Ram and you out of lights like us, you can hook it up to your car and get light in your house. So that's what he just did.
How do you connect this to his car?
And see, his car's out here. Y'all don't believe it. Let's see how dark it is. There's his car over there, crunk up. And there go the thing going that way.
Let me see if it's cut off.
It ain't cut off. Kira! Woo! Throw the ball to her, AJ. Let's see, I'll still know electricity. You gotta make the best of things. Ooh. Get the ball, get the ball.
shot. I just hit that.
Ooh, what you doing, Kira?
You look at it.